Hi folks, this is Harvey with Biggs Harley Davidson and North County, Indian. We have today a 2015 Ultra Limited two-tone. This upgraded lighting, highway pegs, and look at this. What really makes this unique is this has a stage 2 upgrade. Notice we've got a Willie G tank emblem, all very well done. Heated grips, luggage rack, covers for your bags, upgraded console, very clean, very well done. You also have upgraded Z-bars, high-rise exhaust. You'll see that you also have your phone holder there. Everything you're going to need, meticulously maintained. S&S exhaust. Custom air cleaner. Custom Willie G cam cover. Very impressive bike. He has upgraded speakers, as you can see. That's front and rear. So you get great sound with this machine. Come on down and give this a test drive. I'll tell you what, you won't find a cleaner bike. This is in not good condition. This is in excellent condition. It probably looks better than it did on the showroom floor when he bought it. Come on down and see for yourself, really. Very impressive.